Hello all of you people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are talking about Ipsy today. I am unboxing all of my subscription boxes at some point today, but I'm going to be doing them in separate videos like I normally do. Obviously let's go ahead and address the elephant in the room. I changed my hair color! I had to. I've been blonde for like 2 years almost, and I just needed a change. So I don't know. I just can't. I'm in love. I'm in love, love, love. I haven't done anything like this ever. So yeah, pretty nuts. I'll show you guys the inspo picture somewhere here. Anyways, that was kind of pretty much the inspiration picture, and then I was pretty much in the salon for like good 3.5 hours, almost 4 hours, trying to go blonde to brunette. It takes a process. It takes time. But it is what it is. I'm excited for it. If you guys haven't seen my full makeup on transition videos, please don't forget to go ahead and check out my TikTok, because I've been posting a lot of content over there about my hair transformation, because I'm just here for it. I love it. And obviously you guys can tell I am blank faced right now at the moment, because hopefully I get to try on some of these products today, which is really my thought process of just putting on my base and then just kind of going with the flow of what happens. So yeah, if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, I post videos 2 to 3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. If you would like to join my channel, I would appreciate it, so you can be a part of the hashtag DEEVAFAM. For those of you that have been back before, love you guys. I'm so glad that you're here for it, because if you don't know, actually at the end of every single time I unbox all my subscriptions, so I have 3 of them, Ipsy, and then I have 2 BOXY charms, whether it's the BOXY base box, or it's the BOXY premium, or sometimes it's the BOXY Luxe. At the very end of all 3 of those videos, I actually do a giveaway. I just recently announced last month's giveaway winners recently, so I'm actually shipping out those packages today after you're done filming these videos. I've got a lot of content I need to film today, so let's just go ahead and get into this before I keep rambling on. So for those of you who've been here before, you know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. Alright, so like I prefaced at the end of all my subscription unboxings, I actually give away the products. Actually, I don't think I said that. I give away the products I'm just not that keen into trying to one of you lovely subscribers, and depending on how much I actually give away, sometimes I end up doing 2, and yada yada yada. And anytime I have any current giveaways going on, I will always link them down below, which I have one going on right now, so you definitely want to go ahead and check that one out for sure. So let's just go ahead and get into this. We've got Ipsy to start off with. I kind of saw the sneak peek in the bag. I think I forgot to pick out my products for this month. I don't remember which one of these ones I forgot to pick out something for, but this is what the bag looks like. It's pretty much looks like kind of like Clueless, you know, that yellow houndstooth checkered type of vibe right here for us. So everything came in the bag. So let's just go ahead and open that up. It just says work, school, and life. So obviously again, it was inspired a little bit by Clueless, getting back to school, that kind of like schoolgirl outfit, I guess, kind of in a sense of it all. So that's pretty much what that theme is. And then jumping into this already. So okay. Yeah, so I don't remember picking out any of these products. Maybe I did. I think this was the product I picked out. But starting off right here, I've got the Galactic Glow on the Go. It looks like it's some type of highlighter stick. So this is what it looks like. I'm not really keen into these types of like chubby sticks like this, but some of you might be. So this is the first item going into the giveaway. Obviously with Ipsy, they never give us the full on prices, so I always try to add the price somewhere here on the video for you, so at the very end we can kind of just go ahead and tally it up and see what we got, if we actually got the full price value. Because for Ipsy, I think with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is what this is, which is the $25 tier box, which is right in the center, you get 5 full-size products for $25, basically $5 a piece, which is really kind of cool. I will always have referral links down below. They just get me points towards more makeup. I sometimes use them, sometimes I don't, but if you ever wanted to sign up for Ipsy, please go ahead and use that link down below. Would appreciate it so much. The item I think I did pick out was this one, which is the ILMAKIAGE. Some of you guys don't know, I didn't have a really good experience with ILMAKIAGE in the past. It was more or less I tried out some products for free. They sent me a code to buy it to get more stuff, but I just never used it. I just kind of get turned off by the brand. But their customer service was actually really good, so I can't be mad at them for that one. I do really like their the ILMAKIAGE mascara that I've been using a lot lately. But yeah, so this is a really cute packaging. It kind of reminds me of Makeup Geek packaging, how it has like that M emblem in the center, so interesting. Literally kind of reminds me of the Makeup Geek. Like, I'll put a picture on here somewhere for you guys if I can find it. But the packaging is like, it's on point. So this is a 4-quad. It says their Color Boss Squad multi-dimensional eyeshadow quad. So this is what it looks like. So it's super pretty, but it's just very neutral. I don't need something like this. Like, I get it, but it's just not something that I personally need. So again, that's another item I'm going to go ahead and give away to one of you guys, because I know you guys love getting these eyeshadow palettes. That thing is heavy. I kid you not, this thing is heavy. Okay, moving on, we've got a REALHER brush. It doesn't say what kind of brush it is. It just says that it's a brush, so it's a big fluffy brush. Let's see if we can get it out of the packaging really quickly. So it's just really domed. I don't know exactly what you're supposed to use that for. Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and slide that right back in. And that is something I'm giving away to one of you guys. So look, there's already 3 products. I haven't even gotten to the other ones yet. So I might have to rethink this of everything that I'm giving away. I do know the next 2 products I'm not giving away, because these are 2 I actually really wanted. Okay, so this is the product I think I chose, because it's the Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment by MURAD. I love MURAD when it comes to skincare. They're so good, and I've had some breakouts recently. I don't know why. Maybe it's from the food I've been eating, but also because I was just, you know, it was that time of the month. So I need something. I've been really wanting to like try this since I heard that they had one. I use the spot dots, but I just feel like sometimes they don't always work. So I don't know. But so MURAD Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Treatment. I'm here for it. I'm loving that. So that's why the packaging's already on the floor. It's going into my skincare immediately. Okay, then the other item that I was actually super excited to get is another Dragon beauty product. Obviously, you guys know this brand is owned by Nikita Dragon. So I've never owned any of her lip products before, and this looks like a really pretty like mauve pink shade. Something I could probably put like a deeper lip liner with, and then it actually turn out. Okay, yeah, that is really pretty. That's definitely like a fall shade for sure. Kind of like that mauve pink shade. I don't know how to describe it more than what it is already there, but yes, Nikita Dragon, I'm gonna guess it's probably around $18. Don't quote me on that until I actually figure it out, but hold on, can we just talk about how cute this packaging is though? It looks like a crystal. Like, look at that. A+ for packaging, Nikita. A+, amen, girl. Alright, so that is everything that we got in this bag. So obviously I already told you guys I'm giving away 3 of these products already for that giveaway. It is the brush, it is the Galactic highlighter, and then obviously the ILMAKIAGE eyeshadow quad. So those are 3 products already going into the giveaway. Again, I don't know when that giveaway is going to happen, but it'll be soon. So since the only product I know I can actually try on my face from this one is the lip color, let's just go ahead and do that. I'll try it on its own first. I think it'll look really cute on its own. So let's just go ahead and give that a go. The only other Dragon Beauty product that I own is the green corrector, so I don't know. So definitely not a normal shade I would normally wear, but I definitely think if I put this with a darker lip liner and maybe put this in the middle as like a highlight, I think that might be clutch. So there is that. So that is everything that we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for this month. And the bag, I guess the bag is just super cute, but obviously I give the bag away to you guys in the giveaway. So there's that. So let me know your comments and thoughts down below. Obviously put the total of the bag right here on the screen for us, so once I actually figure out those prices. And yeah, so keep an eye out for the other unboxings, which I'll kind of weave in and out with some of the other stuff I've got going on. Yeah, so that's it before I keep rambling on. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!